This is a grown woman. What? That was a grown woman. She probably got 2 kids in the basement right now. Bro, what was she doing, man? Y'all been going crazy on the videos, man. I just want to say I appreciate y'all, man. Let's get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year, man. We can do it, man. Enough being said. Back to the video.
Huh? Not you, not you. It was the last person. Last person pissed me off.
Wait, how old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay. Can I lick your face?
Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
Wow.
Why does it keep doing this to me?
What?
Sorry.
What the fuck is that?
Same what sound TikTok gives us.
You look like Donald Glover.
Huh? She's from Belgium. Belgium,
Heck no.
Do you want a kiss? Come here.
That was ugly.
Is this
Y'all,
sassy? Is this sassy?
Y'all, my friend's racist. She called me a nigger today. I don't know.
Wow. Wow. Hey,
I don't know. What?
Is that a dog?
No, it's a cat.
It's a cat. Do I have permission to cut it up in pieces and eat it?
Huh?
Bitch, get the fuck out.
Sir, what are you doing? Sir, sir, what the fuck was that?
What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that? And we got is this the BBW convention?
Huh?
Is this SpongeBob's crib?
Huh?
Am I invited to the party? Am I invited to your house? Okay. What are we gonna do when I get there? We can watch Netflix. Or we could probably like binge a show. It don't matter as long as I spend quality time, you know. Huh?
Huh?
Huh? Can I have a lick? Oh! Can I lick your face? Oh! It's not funny. Are you my mom?
Are you my son?
Huh? We're the same color. Huh? We're the same color.
Like, literally, like, you know,
literally, like, are you SpongeBob?
Oh.
Can you help me find SpongeBob?
Yeah, I'll be fine with SpongeBob.
Is he under your bed? Can I get under your bed?
He might have got under my bed.
Okay, well, tell him I said hi. Tell him to
I'll
kiss me
tell
some,
him.
you know?
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll tell him.
Alright.
Alright.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
How you doing?
Is this the BBW convention? Is this the BBW convention? Is this the BBW convention?
Is this your mom?
Hey, what's up?
Hi. What's up?
How are you today? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What's up? Where are you from?
New York.
New York. Okay. Are you actually 20?
No, 19.
You're 19. Damn.
Yeah.
How old do I look?
Not 20.
Not 20? Damn. She didn't even say, damn. She didn't give me a specific age. Well, okay.
You look younger than me. No shade.
No shade. Okay. Just because you said that, I'm gonna have to find where you live and like blow it up and shit. It's not a thing.
I mean, I was gonna personally do it myself, but I mean, you could go.
Why would you want to do that?
Because I just felt like, why would you want to blow up where I live?
Cause you disrespecting me by saying I'm definitely not 20. Like, what do you mean by that? What if I was actually 20?
Are you?
No.
There goes.
That where the bitches.
Damn, is this the BBW convention?
Huh?
Where can I get me one? I want to take one home.
Oh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Woo! Woo! Emotional damage. I like your gap. It's kind of like mine's, but mine's is way bigger.
I had braces and then it came back.
Okay, so I have one question for you. Promise you won't skip me. Pinky
Can't promise.
Okay.
No.
How old are you, first of all? That's not the question, but
16.
Woo! We dodged the bullet, guys.
Mobile update. What model is it?
Nice eyes.
Thank you.
Can I pluck them out and eat them?
No,
Why not?
because they're my pretty eyes.
Damn, it's not pretty anymore just because.
That's okay.
It's not pretty
That's-
anymore.
That's your opinion.
It's not pretty anymore.
Okay, that's your.
It's not pretty anymore, bro. I'm sorry, I want to tell you no more, man.
Like damn, like 2016, I'm off of the Zane. You phone with me, but you got me. I pop me a Percocet, take it with cream. We stay with 30s, cause we inside the clean. I drive out the van and shoot at your man. Where the fuck you at? I'm telling walk, the speed kicks on my feet, it don't matter how much I shit up on this beat. At the same time, I'm walking that spot with a glow with a skin. Fucking all black, creeping nigga in this turban. Body in the sea, colors as a mermaid. I just got 2 liters and I put a serpent.